Welcome to TH Sounds Mastery. In English, the letters T and H together make two different sounds. The first sound is the voiceless TH, pronounced like in the word think. The second sound is the voiced TH, pronounced like in the word this. These two sounds are very important for clear English pronunciation. Learning to pronounce them correctly will help you sound more natural and native-like when speaking English. The most important thing about pronouncing TH sounds is knowing where to place your tongue. For both the voiceless and voiced TH sounds, the position of your tongue is exactly the same. Place the tip of your tongue lightly between your upper and lower teeth. Let your tongue tip stick out just a little bit from between your teeth. Make sure your tongue does not touch the roof of your mouth. This tongue position is the foundation for both TH sounds. Now let's understand the main difference between these two sounds. The voiceless TH sound, written as theta, is made without vibrating your vocal cords. The air simply flows freely through your mouth. The voiced TH sound, written as eth, is made while vibrating your vocal cords. When you make this sound, you will feel a buzzing or vibration in your throat. Try placing your hand on your throat. You will feel the vibration for the voiced sound, but not for the voiceless sound. Let's practice with real words. For the voiceless TH sound, common words include think, thank, thick, and math. Repeat these words slowly. Think, thank, thick, math. For the voiced TH sound, common words include this, that, the, and breathe. Repeat these words slowly. This, that, the, breathe. Notice how the voiceless sound is sharper and more forceful, while the voiced sound is softer and has more vibration in your throat. Minimal pairs are two words that sound almost the same but have different meanings. They help you hear and practice the difference between sounds. First pair, think in this. Say think with the voiceless TH, then say this with the voiced TH. Second pair, thank and that. Say thank with the voiceless TH, then say that with the voiced TH. Practicing these pairs helps your brain understand the difference between the two sounds. Now let's practice with complete sentences. First sentence with the voiceless TH, I think fast. Second sentence, thank you very much. Third sentence, math is challenging. Now let's practice with the voiced TH. First sentence, this is the best. Second sentence, that was smooth. Third sentence, breathe deeply now. Try reading each sentence slowly and pay attention to how your mouth and throat feel differently for each sound. Tongue twisters are fun phrases that help you practice the sounds. Here's a tongue twister for the voiceless TH. 3 thin thinkers think thick, thoughtful thoughts. Say this slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Here's a tongue twister for the voiced TH. This, that, this, these, those, this. These tongue twisters are challenging, but they are very effective for improving your pronunciation. Practice them daily for best results. Remember these important points about TH sounds. For the voiceless TH, it has no vibration in your throat, your tongue stays between your teeth, and the air flows freely. For the voiced TH, your throat vibrates, your tongue position is the same as the voiceless sound, and you should feel the buzzing. The key difference is simply the vibration in your vocal cords. Practice these sounds regularly, and soon pronouncing TH will become natural for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.